Hello, I'm Sanya Bhalla, the Executive Director here at Manav Rachna Educational Institutions. And I'm here to talk about a very special initiative called Give at MR, where students, faculty, alumni and corporates come together to illuminate the world of education and invest in the potential of our community. Do you remember your first day at your campus? Infinite dreams, trembling hearts, no familiar face in the sight, but eyes filled with aspirations and limitless dreams. It is with your support under Give at MR we aim to transform these dreams into reality. My journey at Manav Rachna has made me believe in the fact that our students have what it takes to climb the ladder of success and sculpt the future. All they need is mentorship, assets and collective support to progress ahead. Your support is a gift which increases financial aid and access to resources for all our students. Your contribution also bolsters our endeavor to serve the society, address issues like hunger and healthcare, and attempt to transform lives.
I have created an award for the best outgoing student in the field of BDS or dentistry. A small scholarship will be contributed from my side. This is just a moral and my social responsibility as a proud alumni of Manav Rachna Dental College to give back in some form as a gratitude towards my alma mater.
With great excitement, I want to announce that I have taken a step forward in giving back to the MR community by making a small but first contribution in their effort to build a world-class design lab for its future students. This lab will be equipped with the state-of-the-art equipment and be helpful for students to make their imagination come to reality. Thank you, MR Alumni Relations Office, for providing me with this great opportunity to contribute.
What adds beauty to Give at MR is the fact that you can become a part of the journey at Manav Rachna, and together we can script its next chapter. In this endeavor of collective giving, I invite you to translate dreams into reality.